Hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome back to Everdeen, where the sun is shining outside, but don't let it fool you because it's cold. Things have turned wintry. It is crispy. It is chill. It is nippy today. And I've put on two hoodies. I've gone double hoodie and double leggings because I'm cold. And while what I would love more than anything right now is to fill up the bathtub here in this bathroom and take a long hot bath, that is not what we're doing today. Today I must deal with this whole situation back here. I'm a little worried about this one, guys. It's gonna be a challenge, I think, because this window is starting to really bug me. The rest of the bathroom is looking so good and gorgeous, and this is starting to stick out more and more, and I think it's time to bring this window up to the level of the rest of the bathroom, which means I need to, first off, smooth out the sides, putty and smooth the sides and the top, and then on the bottom, we are going to put either a beautiful piece of wood, like a shelf that has been stained to be a beautiful color, or we're going to put a piece of marble. I know a shop in town that is just kind of like a random secondhand shop, and they have a stack of pieces of marble. So I'm gonna go investigate that and see if maybe we're lucky enough that they have something that's in a good color for this room that's roughly this size. Dream big, guys. But if not, it'll be a beautiful piece of wood that'll look like a little shelf. So that is the plan. I'm excited for this job to be done. I'm not super excited to do this job because I'm really worried about the giant dust cloud that's going to emanate from this window when we have to sand down the putty. The blue paint is looking so good and so beautiful. I just have a horrible vision in my brain of the blue paint being utterly destroyed by the cloud of dust. Should we have done this before we painted? Maybe. Did we do that? No. Is it too late to fix it now? Yes. Things are what they are. Let's get to it. I just want to take a moment to say a big thank you to one of our patrons, Shizart, who donated some money for us to buy a new vacuum. And we now have this lovely vacuum, which is a medium-sized shop vac, and it's great because it does all the work of a shop vac, but it's easy to carry up and down the stairs, which is very important around here. Probably needs a second coat, but not bad. Already, the window looks bigger. I'm not really sure why, because there's not a big color change, but it does look bigger, so that's nice. Also, if you're worrying about this part back here, we're gonna do the shelf thing on the bottom, and then we'll probably put a little lip of either the same wood as the shelf, or maybe some tiles, something like that. Back here going up to the bottom of the window, so that won't be visible. Since I've already got the putty out, I might as well finish up the little bit of smoothing out that needs to happen. This is the last place in the bathroom that we need to add a little bit more putty because that's the last place we did any drywalling. And one coat's been done, but it needs a second coat, so I'll just jump into that for a moment. time for the moment I've been dreading. We gotta sand. Ugh, this is gonna be so dusty. I am gonna do it by hand because it's really a small space, but I don't want to. Well, that went pretty much how I expected. Nah. While I attempt to clean enough dust off myself that I no longer resemble a snowman, I'm going to take a quick pause and tell you a tale of misfortune, a harrowing tale that is about to reach its conclusion. Let's flash back to many weeks ago when we ordered the shower door for the new bathroom, and it arrived like this. Now, obviously, this shower door was smashed beyond all repair, so we sent it back to the company in Poland we had ordered it from. A couple of weeks later, the second one arrived, also smashed. At this point, the company offered just to refund us our money, but we asked them to redo an exchange one last time. We have been waiting with bated breath for the new shower door to arrive to see if it will arrive in one piece this time, and it just has come. So let's cut to shower door number 3. What you got?
Alors, c'est entier. On dirait, seems full.
It's a shower door that is theoretically not broken.
Yeah, we'll see.
We'll see if the third time's the charm ordering this.
I think it's supposed to be the other side.
Oh, I mean, does it matter?
Probably not.
And also the delivery guy couldn't bring his van to the front of the house because the street was too narrow. But he told us be careful, it's 75 kilos. And it feels like 75 kilos. So we're gonna disassemble the packaging out here and then take it up one piece at a time. Ooh. Woo! Is it broken?
No. Huh?
Yes! Oh, that is a beautiful sight.
Ça aurait été plus pratique de la monter avant de l'ouvrir. C'est super lourd à monter. Ah, tu voulais les séparer du coup.
If we break it at this point, it's going to be unbelievably sad. This is intensely nerve-wracking. And it's also like the ideal moment for a child to come barreling down the stairs and not see the glass and completely smash through the center. Oh. Très gracieux, Julien. We've reached a whole new level of trash in the yard. Not you. It looks pretty though. I'm really excited to see it actually assembled. Theoretically, assuming that we can get to that point without smashing it.
Vous avez peut-être pas acheté la bonne paroi de douche. C'est peut-être pas la bonne dimension.
C'est vrai?
Oui. Bah, ça devrait aller. Ça devrait aller, mais vraiment limite.
C'est trop grand ou c'est trop petit?
Trop grand. Trop grand.
Ah mince.
Peut-être le carrelage est trop épais. Mais ça devrait aller. Oh putain, on va essayer de monter un peu.
On le pose.
I'm not sure that's the right shape.
Qu'on est obligé de faire être au bon endroit parce qu'en plus, entre les dimensions du polonais et du français, c'est pas les mêmes dimensions pour les fixer.
Ah oui?
The manual, are you feeling?
Yeah.
So we're having some issues because the dimensions of the Polish manual and the dimensions of the French version of the manual are not the same.
Are you telling me that measurements are different in Poland and France?
I don't think measurement is different. I think,
Someone's made a mistake.
yeah, I don't know who it is. And if it's the French that made a mistake, if it's the mistake in the French version, it means that maybe the shower door is too big and won't be waterproof.
Oh,
So, yeah, there's some pressure here.
that is,
Yeah, I know.
yeah. I
I
feel
know.
stressed now. I'm gonna go cuddle Vedroy
Yeah.
to make myself feel better. Therapy dog. Oh, okay, that's good dog therapy. Keep it coming. Keep it coming.
L'incliné comme ça, en fait, c'est pas suffisamment rigide. Donc en fait, faut mesurer ici.
Ouais, faut mesurer le haut.
It looks like it's on the shower basin.
Yeah, it seems it's good.
It's good?
It seems that it's good.
Ouais, mais faut vérifier qu'il soit droit. En fait.
Right.
I'm gonna be positive and say that it's good.
Je peux tenir là-haut, je vais chercher le niveau laser.
Vedroy's gonna sweat this all out.
Mm.
Are you gonna fix it?
Juste, hein.
Ouais.
It looks like it's okay size-wise.
Yeah, it seems like look. The other side.
Yeah.
From this side.
Oh.
Look,
Whoa.
From this side, it's like really.
Yeah.
A good size. It's supposed to have like 5mm.
That is lucky.
Yeah.
I would have cried a lot.
Yeah, especially that we don't have the cardboard anymore because I broke
yeah.
it so much we couldn't have returned it.
That is very lucky.
Yeah.
My job during shower construction is dog control to make sure that Vedroy doesn't get under everyone's feet. You're under everyone's feet. Yes, you are. But you're very cute. that is one good looking window. Of course, it's going to look better when we eventually put either wood or marble in the bottom and make that little shelf. But for the time being, I'm very happy with that window. Laurent pointed out that he thought it was good to leave the interior white because it's a small window and we want to make it look as big as possible in this bathroom, just to make it look like it's lighting up more of the bathroom than it actually is. And when he said that, I realized that he was definitely right, because this does give the impression of a much bigger window than it is. And I think if I painted it blue on the inside, like my original idea was, it would just really darken up the whole space. But yeah, I must say that I am very, very, very happy with that. It looks great. The bathroom is really starting to look finished. I can't believe how far it's come. Just when did we start like actual construction in the bathroom? It wasn't that, it was like June or July. And considering like all the other things that have cropped up in between then and now, I can't believe how finished the bathroom is being. In fact, I think I'll probably make a video soon showing like the whole bathroom journey from start to finish, because that's a big transformation. From when we tore down the wall to make space for the bathroom until now, it's been a big transformation. I think I am going to leave it there for today though, because I don't want to give up on the idea of the marble shelf. I checked out the store that I was thinking might have some marble. Unfortunately, they didn't have any in the right size or anywhere close to the right size, and everything they had was too small, so even like cutting it wouldn't be an option. But I don't want to give up on the idea of marble. So for the moment, we're going to set that aside while I try to track down some marble. I guess that we'll leave it there for the moment. When we come back next week, I have a big project plan that is not a bathroom project. So next week we'll be doing something very big, very exciting, and not at all bathroom related. So stay tuned for that. That's next Monday. But for now, I'll just say a big thank you for watching this video. And if you enjoyed it, please do give it a thumbs up, and also leave a comment saying that you enjoyed it, or what you liked about it, or just say hello down in the comments if you'd like to. And please do subscribe, because that is always extremely helpful. And if you want to be just even the next higher level up of helpful and really support all the projects that we're doing here restoring Everdeen, please do consider becoming a patron. The link is just down below this video, and our patrons are so much appreciated. A big thank you, as always, to our lovely patrons. And with that, I need to test out this new shower now that the shower door is on. Yay! And I'll see you guys next time.